Okay, I'm working on this this stack unit here. It's your basic Kenmore. I tried to replace the timer with another one, but I decided to go ahead and try and rebuild the original one because this one here is not exactly the right settings. So on this one here, they have basically two parts for the points on the timer. This is the top part, and if you look in between the points, you can see that one or two of the sets of points are burnt. And so you can do a couple of things. You have to be very careful not to over bend these. You can bend the tolerances in just a little bit and push the points together just a little bit, and then take a piece of emery cloth and you try and get in between the points with the emery cloth and clean up the points, and then snap it back together. On this particular one, these contacts right here are for the timer motor, so you have to make sure and get that all lined up when you put it back together. Okay, thanks for watching.